And guys, we have an update with regards to those allegations. As I stated yesterday, Jay-Z has vowed to actually fight against these allegations, and he is saying that these allegations are simply not true.
Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh? Yes.
Now, I don't know if you guys are following me on TikTok or YouTube or both. If you are not following me on both platforms, go ahead and make sure you guys are. So, I did update you all about the situation with Jay-Z being accused of SA with Diddy in 2000. Now, this is allegedly including a 13-year-old girl who is probably not 13 anymore. Obviously, it's 24 years later. So apparently, the lawsuit was filed under a Jane Doe name. Now, as I explained to you guys yesterday, Jane Doe is just a fictitious name in which you can file under to reveal your identity. Jay-Z has released a statement, and what Jay-Z has stated, he has fired back at the attorney that's leading the filing of this lawsuit against him, and that attorney's name is Tony Buzbee. Now, Jay-Z's statement states, "You have made a terrible error in judgment, thinking that all celebrities are the same. I am not from your world. I am a young man who made it out of the project of Brooklyn. We don't play these types of games. We have very strict codes of honor. We protect children. You seem to exploit people for personal gain." Now, Jay-Z is pretty much alleging that this attorney who goes by the name of Tony Buzbee, Jay-Z is saying that this man is a fraud and that this lawyer sent a blackmail attempt disguised as a demand letter to his attorney. And if you guys don't know what a demand letter is, it's pretty much saying that I intend to sue you and therefore I demand that we mediate, that we get together, because in essence, what Jay-Z is saying is that this attorney is looking for a payday. Now, guys, Diddy's attorneys did respond. Now, although this complaint was just amended to add Jay-Z. Particularly in Diddy's case, nothing has changed. But what their attorney is saying, and this is Diddy's attorney, is saying similar to what Jay-Z is saying, that this guy, Tony Buzbee, is just looking for a payday. So this is what Diddy's attorney had to say. He said this amended complaint and the recent extortion lawsuit against Mr. Buzbee exposes his barrage of lawsuits against Mr. Combs for what they are: shameless publicity stunts designed to extract payments from celebrities who fear having lies spread about them, just as the lies have been spreaded about Mr. Combs. As his legal team has said before, Mr. Combs has full confidence in the facts and the integrity of the judicial process. In court, the truth will prevail that Mr. Combs never essayed or trafficked anyone, not including a man, woman, adult, or minor. And Tony Buzbee did respond. Now, of course, Tony Buzbee is the attorney who is generally handling these salacious allegations against celebrities. But what Tony is saying is that he's making allegations that Jay-Z is bullying and or intimidating him and the actual person who is alleging that they were SA. Now, this is a bit far. Tony has provided no information and no truthful, factual information to actually insinuating that Jay-Z is doing this. So I think this is a little bit far-fetched, and this is probably why Jay-Z is suing him, because putting allegations out that he's bullying and intimidating and not showing that information, that's very serious. So let's get into what Tony had to say. He says, regarding the Jay-Z case and his efforts to silence my clients, Mr. Carter previously denied being the one who sued me and my firm. He filed his frivolous case under pretty much a fake name. What he fails to say in his recent statement is my firm sent his lawyer a demand letter on behalf of an alleged victim, and that victim never demanded a penny from him. Instead, she only sought a confidential mediation. Guys, there is no confidential mediation. If you are sitting down with a person for, you expecting them to admit fault, you are expecting a check. So this attorney is not being honest. Now, he says, since I sent the letter on her behalf, Mr. Carter has not only sued me, but he has tried to bully and harass me and this plaintiff. His conduct has had the opposite impact. She is emboldened. I'm very proud of her resolve. As far as the allegations in the complaint filed, we will let the filing speak for itself and will litigate the facts in the court and not in the media. Okay, well, this is in fact in the media, and we are talking about it because this lawsuit was filed. So it seems like what Tony wants to put in our heads is that his intent was not salacious at all, and simply is that he's trying to get what's just for his client. But just would be filing a criminal complaint if you in fact feel like the law has been broken. Hi, and I am so glad that you guys are here. Let me tell you this. I started YouTube roughly 1 year ago, and you know what I did? I struggled like hell to figure it out. But thankful I was diligent and able to monetize in under 90 days. So what I want to do is I want to show you guys exactly how I did it. So what I did is I sat down and I created a course to help you guys become successful on YouTube. When I first started, I struggled. I did not know what to do. And I'm going to tell you why I decided to create this course. When I started YouTube, this is what I said. I said that if I did not make money in at least 60 days, I was done. And guess what I did? I did just that. And my first official check for 30 days on YouTube was roughly $7,000. Now, I know some of y'all is like, that's no money. And in all actuality, it ain't a lot of money, but it's not a little money, especially from somebody that was coming to a social media platform such as YouTube that I didn't really know what I was doing, but I was able to figure it out to be able to make an income of $7,000. So what I said is I see some of the smaller YouTubers struggling. So what I want to do is show you guys what I did to become successful. So what I did is I created a course to teach you guys the basics. Now, this will not be the only course, but this will be the first course in which I will teach you guys how to get monetized very fast. So all you need to do right now is go ahead and click on the link, because we are running a special, or I am running a special, because I want to make sure you guys get monetized. Because listen, it is the holidays, it is becoming a new year soon, and y'all need to get y'all some more income, okay? And as always, guys, make sure you are liking the video. Go ahead and share the video. If you guys have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe